Kenya is endowed with natural resources that are the bedrock of the country's economy. This is because they provide food, water, among other essential needs that are key to the survival, sustenance, and nourishment of human life. However, these natural resources have been declining with time due to human-related activities. A key example is the Gwassi Forest, situated in Homa Bay County along the shores of Lake Victoria in Western Kenya. Due to increased population pressure and declining land sizes, communities are now turning to forests to make ends meet. As a result, the Gwassi Forest is increasingly being destroyed and faces the risk of extinction due to massive encroachment for agriculture and settlement, illegal logging, charcoal production, sand harvesting, forest fires, overgrazing, and quarrying. World Vision seeks to address this challenge under its newly launched initiative known as Regreening Homa Bay through gender-inclusive farmer-managed natural regeneration FMNR project in Kenya, which is funded by the Piero Hug Foundation. The project seeks to empower communities, especially women and the youth, to increase tree cover on their farmlands so as to restore degraded land, which will in turn improve crop and livestock production. These benefits will trickle down to families, providing an enabling environment where children are able to enjoy life in all its fullness due to enhanced household food security and income levels, which safeguard their health and well-being. In line with the Sustainable Development Goal SDG 12, it is our collective responsibility to save the planet through the sustainable use of natural resources so as to safeguard the future of our children and upcoming generations.